Hello everyone, I am Shalini Joshi Amdagni, and in this video I'm using EFT tapping for returning to flow. So, if you want to be successful, if you want to have great health, if you want to have harmony and peace and love and joy in your life, it is important to stay in flow. And a lot of people know that. They know about the flow. You've heard of athletes being in flow and, performing all kinds of miracles. Many people don't know how to get into flow. And for me, when I think of flow, I think of a river flowing down. And as long as you're in the flow, you are moving smoothly, easily, in harmony towards your goals and dreams. And when you're not in flow, it's like you're going against the flow. It's like your resistance, you're in struggle mode, you're going uphill, you're feeling exhausted, drained, fear, worry, and all of those things that are not feeling at ease or harmony, and you're not feeling inspiration and you're feeling exhausted. So if you're feeling any of those things, it's time to release that so that you can return to a state of flow and move with ease and grace and harmony towards your dreams and anything that you want to achieve. So let's begin tapping. Even though I feel like I'm on struggle mode, I just feel all this discomfort in so many areas of my life. I just don't feel in flow. I'm just going to acknowledge what's going on with me. And I deeply and completely love, forgive, and accept myself. I'm doing the best that I can. Even though I feel so stressed, so overwhelmed with everything that's going on. I just want to acknowledge what's going on with me. And I choose to be open to the possibility that I can return to flow. And I deeply and completely love, forgive, and accept myself. Even though I feel exhausted, I feel drained. I choose to acknowledge how I'm feeling. And I'm open to the possibility that I can release all these things that are causing this exhaustion, this overwhelm, and return to flow. And I deeply and completely love, forgive, and accept myself. I am doing the best that I can. Okay, we'll tap through the other points. I feel out of flow. I know I'm out of flow because I feel all this struggle in my life right now. All this stress in my life right now. My body feels exhausted and drained. There's just so much going on. I feel overwhelmed. There are so many things that haven't been working out for me. And I feel like I'm on struggle mode. I feel like there is so much heaviness in my heart, in my mind, in my chest. And I feel like I'm having a hard time moving forward. Life feels like a struggle. It feels hard. It feels heavy. And my body lets me know, because I feel all these aches and pains in my body. And all these feelings of discomfort and dis-ease, all the fear, all the anger, all the unhappiness, feelings of exhaustion, let me know I'm out of flow. What would it take to get back into flow? Who would I be if I released all these fears and worries and doubts? If I could release them and clear them, even though I have proof or I have past experiences that create this doubt and create this worry and fear. What if I stopped allowing my past to interfere with my present? What if I could leave the past in the past? I'm open to the possibility that I can release and clear all the heaviness that I'm carrying around with me every day as I step forward. So I'm choosing to release the fears. I'm choosing to release the overwhelm. Feelings that I don't have support. Feelings that I'll never get there. Feelings that I'll never get what I want. Feelings that it won't work out for me. I choose to release all these disempowering, discouraging feelings, beliefs that I'm holding on to without even realizing I'm holding on to them. No wonder I feel out of flow. And I'm choosing right now to release and clear all those heavy feelings. I don't need to carry them around with me. All the feelings of heaviness and discomfort and worry and doubt, I release and clear them all from wherever they are stored in my body. All the stress about the future, all the stress from the past, I delete, destroy, and uncreate it all across all time, dimension, space, and reality. I choose instead to feel free. I love feeling free. I love feeling fresh. I love feeling ease. I love the feeling of eagerness and excitement. And I love to return to flow, which really means no matter what's going on in my life right now, I'm releasing all doubts and worries and resistance, and I'm choosing to trust the flow of life. I'm choosing to trust that life knows what is best for me. All I have to do is release the doubts, worries, fears, and all the resistance, and trust the flow of life. to take me towards all my dreams and desires and wishes. It's so much better to be in flow, to trust the flow. And that's what I'm choosing right now. And it feels good. It feels light. It feels freeing. I'm open to trusting the flow and trusting life. And so it is. Just put your hands over your heart. Just tune inward and trusting that everything works out for me. I choose to trust life. I choose to be in flow. So I hope that was helpful. And if you enjoyed this tapping, do like the video, do subscribe to this channel, and do share this video. And if you want to learn more about how you can use EFT tapping to help yourself with stress and pain and chronic pain and much more, you can get my book, Instant Pain Relief, at www.instantpainreliefbook.com. That's instantpainreliefbook.com, where you'll learn step by step how you can use EFT for all areas of your life, especially releasing and healing chronic pain. So thanks for joining me, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.